spices that will help make you well. Lemongrass has pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. Lemongrass, known scientifically as Cymbopogon, is a tall, stalky plant. It's a popular ingredient in Southeast Asian cooking, imparting a fresh, citrusy flavor to dishes. Beyond its culinary uses, lemongrass is revered for its medicinal properties, particularly its pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. Health benefits of lemongrass. 1. Pain relief. Lemongrass is known for its analgesic properties, which help relieve pain. It can be effective in easing headaches, muscle pain, and joint pain. This is partly due to its anti-inflammatory effects that reduce the underlying inflammation, contributing to discomfort. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The herb contains compounds like citral and geranial that have strong anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis, and may also aid in reducing the risk of chronic diseases linked to inflammation. 3. Antimicrobial and antifungal effects. Lemongrass has potent antimicrobial and antifungal abilities, making it effective in fighting various infections. It's particularly known for its activity against some bacteria and yeast that cause skin and digestive issues. 4. Promotes digestive health. Lemongrass may help ease indigestion, stomach cramps, and other digestive discomforts. It is often used as a natural remedy for constipation and can help regulate bowel functions. 5. Reduces anxiety and helps with sleep. Lemongrass has mild sedative properties that can help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. The soothing aroma of lemongrass is often used in aromatherapy to enhance relaxation and sleep quality. How to use lemongrass. Culinary uses. Fresh lemongrass is widely used in Thai and Vietnamese cuisines, in dishes like curries, soups like tom yum, and teas. It can also be used in marinades and salad dressings. Tea. Lemongrass tea is popular for its health benefits, especially for pain relief and digestion. You can make it by steeping fresh or dried lemongrass in boiling water. Essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil is used in aromatherapy for its stress-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. It can also be applied topically diluted in a carrier oil to relieve muscle pain and headaches. Topical application for skin. Lemongrass can be used in skincare products for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to treat acne and other skin conditions. Considerations. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to lemongrass, especially those who are sensitive to other plants in the grass family. Allergic reactions could include skin irritation or respiratory issues. Pregnancy and nursing. While lemongrass is generally considered safe in food amounts, using it medicinally during pregnancy and breastfeeding is not well studied and should be approached with caution. Medication interactions. Because of its sedative properties, lemongrass should be used cautiously with other sedatives or CNS depressants, as it may enhance their effects. Lemongrass is a versatile herb that offers various health benefits, making it a valuable addition to both your kitchen and your natural health toolkit. Whether used in cooking, brewed as a tea, or applied as an essential oil, lemongrass can enhance well-being in multiple ways. However, due to its potent effects, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider when using it for medicinal purposes, especially if you have existing health conditions or are pregnant. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our websites at www.orangeblackmuseum.com and www.orangebooks.com.